So, you're a van or RV owner, and it's that time again. You have to dump your gray and black water tanks. We know that dumping your gray and black water tanks is not your favorite thing to do, so we've come up with a new solution. It's called UNDA. UNDA is a safe and effortless way to dispose of RV and van's gray water waste. Before removing or unloading your hose, read the signs to ensure you may dump your gray or black water at this location and how to use UNDA station. After reading the signs, remove your hose and place it into the hose support and connect your hose to the dumping point. Once done, remove your hose and place it back into the van or RV. Then step on the water step to clean up the dumping point. Dumping gray and black water can be a mess, so walk over to the rubbish bin to throw away your gloves or any other rubbish. Then head over to the sanitation area to wash your hands. Use the water step to activate the faucet water. If you need to refill your freshwater tank, use the freshwater faucet underneath the UNDA sanitation area to connect your freshwater hose to. With UNDA, you'll stay safe and clean from waste contamination. UNDA, continuing your journey.